Sir.
You are starting. I gave you which questions? Can you tell me which
Sir,
questions I gave
two,
you?
sir. Sir, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11, 13, 14.
2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. That means from 1 to 8, all except 1 and 6.
Sir.
Right? Then
Yes, sir.
11,
11,
13,
13, 14.
14. Okay, here we go. Now, 2. What is the answer of 2?
D. Dhaka.
16%.
Yes.
Very good. It is correct. Then
Sir, 3, I guessed.
you guess, not calculated.
No, sir.
Okay, then you write here question mark. You have the worksheet printed.
Sir, not yet. So I'm writing question mark.
Mm, So when will get it printed?
Sir, so inshallah in 3 or 4 days, sir.
Okay,
Sir, yeah, sir. We're planning to buy a printer, sir, for my
yes,
sister
yes,
too. That's why I'm waiting.
that is better because printer is not that much expensive, right? The
Yes, sir.
way the way you are doing expense for your studies, if you compare that one, it's not that expensive, but it is very useful for you now.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we're considering buying one, so I'm waiting.
Okay, 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 very good. I actually really appreciate your initiative and thinking. May God bless you. Okay, now question number 3, you give the question mark in your
Yes,
copy.
sir.
Sufyan Taher. Sufyan Taher,
Yes, sir.
have you tried?
Okay,
Have
I
you
went
tried
out
the
to get
questions?
that.
I am not getting you, Sufyan. Can you speak louder?
Yes, sir. I was out. I went to the pharmacy to get my dad's medicine.
But this homework is given almost 4 or 5 days back. On last Wednesday we gave, and that time also we posted it. Right after the class, we posted it, the homework, didn't we? So you should have tried it. After watching the recordings, you should have tried it. Now we are going it. Listen, huh? Please try to be up to date. Okay, now Navid, question number
Yes,
3,
sir.
you give question
Question
mark.
mark.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then question 4,
C.
you got C, and you give your
Yes,
cross.
sir.
On your C, you give cross.
Okay, sir.
We will discuss it later. Just we are checking it now, then uh, we'll return back and we'll discuss again. No problem. Then question number 5. Question number 5. Hello,
B, sir.
Bangladesh.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Question 6 we
Okay.
did not give. Then question 7.
Uh, sir, wait. So question 7, I did not do.
You didn't do. You give your question mark.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
didn't
sir.
do because You couldn't get the clue how to do it, right? For that reason.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir. And I don't remember the formula.
okay. Then question number 8.
Sir, eight. I gave A.
Guessing.
Yes, sir.
When no guessing will work. Okay, in A's, no guessing will work. 99% guess will be wrong.
Okay,
Then
sir.
8, you give your question mark. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then we have 11, 11, right?
Sir. So 11 is C.
11 is C. You give cross. Give
Okay, sir.
cross. Then we'll discuss it. Okay.
Okay.
Then 12.
Sir, 12, same. I didn't do.
12 you
So I
couldn't do.
don't.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then 14, right?
13.
I give
So
13,
13.
right? Okay, I give 13. Okay.
Yes, sir. 13.
Okay.
B.
13, what is Bangladesh?
Bangladesh.
Correct. Then
Yes, sir.
14,
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. It is very easy, right? 14.
Yes, sir.
Easiest one.
Yes, sir.
No more, right? Only this much.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going for now the correction, right? Yeah. Question number 3. Question number 3 we will discuss
Hmm.
now. Please take the notes, eh? Both
Okay,
of
sir.
you take the notes. It's very important to take the notes. Look, this one, Sufyan, can you read the question?
A transmitter emits a pulse of electromagnetic waves towards a reflector. The pulse is reflected and returns to the transmitter. A detector is located at the transmitter. The emitted pulse and reflected pulse are displayed on the cathode ray oscilloscope as shown. Pulse takes 6.3 so what is that, sir?
Microsecond.
Microseconds to travel from transmitter to the reflector. What is the time-based setting of the stereo?
Okay, so we got here some important informations. Those we have to identify. They are saying at the beginning, the first sentence, first paragraph, you see, they are saying the pulse is reflected and returns to the transmitter. So it's reflecting back and returning back to the transmitter. It's going from transmitter and returning back to the transmitter. And second paragraph is saying us clearly that pulses we are seeing in the oscilloscope, these two pulses are one for emitting one, another for returning one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
As they are saying, reflected pulse are displayed. That means the one emitted and the one which returned, both are shown on the screen, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you can remember about the echo, right? In sound wave we got echo. You can only hear echo if it's returning back to you, right? The place where you are standing, if returns back to you, then you can hear it, isn't it? That time we are saying it echo.
Yes, sir.
So when the echo is traveling twice the path of the reflector. Like
Yes,
from
sir.
here, from your place, the distance of the reflector, that distance, double distance will be traveled by the sound if you want to hear it. The same way, the transmitter can only show the pulse if the signal is returning back, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So the time taken, that is also for returning back, the time will be double of the time is going or taking to reach the reflector, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So here they gave the time to reach the reflector 6.3 microsecond. Then for returning to the transmitter again, how much time it will take? 6.3 times 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So you should do that one now. You should do this calculation. You should write here time taken, time taken to return the signal. We are trying to make it as smaller as possible. Time taken to return the signal. How much? 6.3,
6.3 millisecond.
6.
Microsecond, sorry.
6.3 times 2.
Yes, sir.
It's returning back, right?
Yes, sir.
You write here another word that will make it more specific for you. Return back the signal. How much? 12.6.
Yes, sir.
12.6 microsecond. Micro, we don't have any symbol in computer. That's why I have to write it by annotating. I have to write here microsecond. And this 12.6 microsecond is equivalent to this distance, right?
Yes, sir.
There is one scale given here. You see, one, two, three, right?
Yes, sir.
So 3 centimeters. They are saying each of the boxes length is 1 centimeter, so it should be 3 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then our time base means each centimeter how many microseconds. So 1 centimeter, if 3 centimeter is 12.6 microsecond, then 1 centimeter is how much?
12.6 divided by 3.
Yeah, tell me the answer.
4.2.
So 1 centimeter is how much? 4.2.
2.
You got the answer? Have you got the
Yes, sir.
answer?
Yes, sir.
So it is 4.2 microsecond per centimeter. Sufyan, have you understood it? Sufyan, Sufyan. Hello, Sufyan. Okay, so this one will help you to solve the similar questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, so let us go there, go forward, then we'll get some similar questions. Then which one is next? Four, right? Four you
Yes,
got
sir.
wrong. Four you gave which one? C.
Uh, yes, sir.
You gave C, and I said that you give cross. Then
Yes.
we
Oh,
discuss it
sir.
now.
So I think it, sir, will it be B?
Yes, it will be Bangladesh.
Yes.
So why you are now shifting to Bangladesh?
Sir, so I read C twice, and so I confused the meaning of accurate, sir, that time.
Now your confusion is gone, or still you have?
No, sir, I don't have any confusion.
You said must be correct,
Yes, sir.
right? So
But
if it is,
precise doesn't need to be correct.
yeah, yeah.
So,
Okay, so you are in Bangladesh. You are not in Canada.
no, sir.
Okay, and you are confident about your staying in Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are not, feeling identity crisis.
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Then your five is correct. We are having now seven, right?
Yes, sir.
Seven. They are talking about the period. Period means time period, right?
Yes, sir.
And one time base is given, that is 5 millisecond per centimeter. 5 millisecond per
Per
centimeter.
centimeter.
Now, what is our task? We have to find for each time period, each time period, how many milliseconds are there, right?
Yes,
Or
sir.
how many centimeters are there. So if you can find how many centimeters, then you can find how many milliseconds easily, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And with the given time base, you can calculate that. So 10 centimeter is how many time periods here?
10 centimeter is, sir, 2.
How to?
With four,
Sir,
sir.
Yeah, time periods, how many here given? How many complete cycles given?
oh, sir, 3.5.
3.5. If your number of complete cycle is 3.5, your time period is also 3.5.
Yes, sir.
So you write that 3.5, you write here 3.5 time period 3.5 time period equals how much? 10 centimeter,
It's
right?
10 centimeter.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then
So 3.5 to,
one time period.
yes, sir. So 3.5 divided by 10.
No, 10 divided by
So 10
3.5.
divided by 3.5. Yes. So 2.86. 86.
2.86. And what is the unit?
Uh, Centimeter.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
2.86
Okay,
seconds
second. Seconds.
or 2 point, uh, sorry, here it is time period, right?
Yes,
One
sir.
time period we give, that is centimeter. It should be centimeter, not second. Second will come later.
Yes,
Here
sir.
we have centimeter, right? So one time period is 2.86 centimeter, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
our next step, you have 1 centimeter equals 5 millisecond, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The time based setting is given 5 millisecond per centimeter. That means 1 centimeter is 5 millisecond, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then how many centimeters you got there? 2.86
Yes, sir.
centimeter. What will be the value now?
So it would be as 2 point, so 2.86 into 5.
Yes, yes. Sufyan.
14.3.
Sufyan.
Yes,
14
sir.
point. How much
3.
are you doing, Sufyan? 14.3. Then it is millisecond, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is millisecond, that means 10 to the power minus 3.
Yes, sir.
So if you can write 10 to the power minus 2, then it will be how much?
So 10,
Hmm?
10.3 seconds, 14.3 seconds, sir.
14.3 millisecond it is. But if you are writing,
So it would be in second.
yeah, it will be in second. How it will be second? If you are writing,
Yes, sir.
uh, for example, 14.3 into 10 to the minus 3, then it is in
Yes, sir.
second. Then
So 1.4 into 10 to the power minus 2.
yes, that one we are saying that if it is 10 to the minus 2, then it will be 1.4.
4.
So it's
Standard
matching
form.
with Dhaka, right?
Yes, sir.
So prefixes and suffix, that one we also have to be,
Yes,
expert, right? How to
yes, sir.
convert the minus power, then plus power. We should be very much expert about this quickly, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 7 is done, right?
Yes, sir.
Your
Done.
answer is Dhaka. Okay, now next one we have, what is next? This one.
Uh, so, wait,
You
7,
guessed it.
7D.
Yeah.
So,
Question
1
number
minute, sir.
8, you also guessed.
Yes, sir. All questions of CRO, I guess.
Yeah.
So I got A.
Yes, I can remember you said A, and also I told you that. Uh, so now again we are going for that. You see the time interval between two adjacent peaks of the waveform is 0.006 seconds. So it is given, right?
Yes, sir.
The time interval is given 0.006 seconds. What is the time-based setting of the CRO? So in between these two peaks, how many squares are there in between these two topics? Hmm? Here you see in
So
between
two.
these two, here two, right?
So,
But
yes,
after
sir.
these two, we have left side little bit extra, that is half of the square, and right side also half of the square. So
So three.
this half and this half is making one. Then we have three, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Three divisions. Okay, three
Yes, sir.
divisions. Then we have here 0.006 seconds, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So for each of the division, how much we'll get? They are saying two adjacent peaks,
0.002 seconds.
0.002 second per division, right?
Yes, sir.
Write it clearly, huh? Otherwise
So
you will forget. So,
one, two,
so the answer
three.
is coming 0.006.
Yes, sir. Divided by three.
Hmm. Then what is the unit?
Second, sir. So it's
Hmm? 2 millisecond, right?
second. Yes, sir. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 second, which is millisecond.
2 milliseconds. Then
So, oh, so answer is B.
2 millisecond per division,
Sorry,
right?
C.
The answer is
C.
C. Now
Yes, sir.
it's clear to you and you are feeling confident, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Then question number 8 is done.
Yes, sir.
So next one,
11, sir.
11. Question number 11. Then we have which one? 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 13, 14
No,
is
yes, sir.
12.
13, 14
12
is
also you have
correct.
problems, right?
Yes, sir.
So we will discuss the rest questions and some more questions in our next meeting, okay? After
Okay, sir.
10 minutes, please. Okay.
Sir, so should I join in
Yeah,
10?
10:50. 10:50 you join. By this time you have some refreshment.